All right, so right here is a plug-and-play brake flasher module. This right here will make your third brake light flash when you press on your brakes. This particular one does 4 fast blinking and then 4 slow steady blinking, and then it stays lit solid. Everything is plug and play. You just have to connect this into your third brake light connector, and this particular one is for a 9th gen Honda Civic. So this is your third brake light right here that goes onto this section on the spoiler. It's held on by 2 screws. That's going to be located, one right there and another one right here. And the connector for it is actually back in there. Give me a sec. So, all right, so that's the connector for the third brake light. And so all you're doing is connecting this module, which is plug and play, into this. And then the opposite end, you'll plug into your third brake light assembly right here. So this is where it gets plugged into. So it gets plugged in right there. So after you make the connection, all you do is you're just gonna go ahead and shove the module into that opening. Now it does have double-sided tape in the back, so you can remove it and you can stick it in the back end of your spoiler area so that it doesn't rattle. But for now, I'm just gonna shove it in there to show you what it looks like. All right, as you can see, this one does the 4 fast blinking and it does 4 slow, and then it stays on. Right now, we have the strobing lights for the brake lights as well, and so it kind of matches the corner strobing lights, because that one also does 4 fast, but it doesn't do the 4 slow, but this one does right here. Now, they do make other ones where the flashing right there will flash about 3 or 4 times and then it'll stay completely on. This one particular one does a 4 fast and then 4 slow and on. There's other ones in the market that does like 3 or 4 fast and then on. There's also other ones that does like just 4 slow as well. And so there are a couple of different brands, modules that you can get, but it's relatively easy to install for this 9th gen Civic. It was literally 2 screws that had to be removed, one on each side again. There's one there and one right there. Once you remove that, you just remove this and then plug in those 2 connectors at the end. All right, so if you're interested in purchasing a set, please contact me at DIYCarModz@gmail.com or contact me through any of my social media accounts. All right, so that was a quick demo on how the black flasher module works on your vehicle on the third brake light. All right, if you have any questions, please leave in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.